How to withdraw money from G League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you how you can transfer or withdraw money from G League. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the G League application on your device. Now, click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the app. Now on the profile section, simply tap on transactions. Here you will see all of your transaction activity. Now look out for the cash out button and simply click on that. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. For example, if you wish to withdraw $5, simply type $5 and tap next. And the app will prompt you to enter your withdrawal details such as payment method or account information. Complete the process and your money will be withdrawn successfully. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.